Hi, this is Richard C. I'm a math tutor at Wyzant, answering a question submitted by a student. This is a fairly straightforward SohCahToa problem. You would see this perhaps in pre-calculus or maybe even geometry. Whenever you have a word problem, it's always good to start with a diagram. So that's where we're going to start. So we're flying a kite, and let's say the kite is up. Here's our kite here. And we're told that we're using 300 yards, 100 yards of string, and it's making an angle of 39 degrees. This is called the angle of elevation, and it's measured this way. But most word problems would call this an angle of elevation. Okay, so this is fairly straightforward. We need the height of the kite. We'll call that h. And let's just go and refer back to SohCahToa. So in this problem, we're interested in the opposite. So here you are flying this kite here. And so this is the angle of interest. So it's the opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse. So we're going to work with sine. We set up a simple equation. The sine 39 degrees is equal to h over 100. And on my calculator, sine of 39 degrees, I get 0.629 equals h over 100. Multiply both sides by 100, and you're going to get 62.9 yards. Now, this is in yards because the length of the string was measured in yards. However, the problem requires us to find the answer in feet. There are 3 feet in every yard, so we just multiply that by 3. And we're going to get h equals 188.8 feet. And we've solved the problem. Because we've drawn a diagram, even though it's not drawn to scale, this looks like about a 39-degree angle. Maybe it's a little bit bigger than a 39-degree angle. We can't really draw these things to scale practically as a practical issue, but the diagram does give us an answer, and we can check whether this is, I call it a sanity check. It's not an exact check, but is it reasonable that this could be 63 yards? If this is 100 yards, is it reasonable this could be 63 yards? And I would say yes. And so I have a fairly good degree of confidence that this is the right answer. So whenever you're doing a word problem, make a diagram, draw a reasonable diagram if you can, and that will enable you to do a sanity check on your answer. But that's it for this one. This one looks like it's going to be hard, but it's really not. And over time, you'll just get used to these SohCahToa problems. You'll see them in school, especially in pre-calc, but you'll also see them on SAT and ACT tests as well. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.